Jetpacks.
Good daddy. Good daddy.
Say hi, Win.
You want to take it off?
Can I see it, Win? Can I see your costume?
Daddy.
Can I see your costume? Say no, we don't see it. Hi. How are you? Are you being a pretty princess? You're just Deanie. You're just a Deanie. What happens when you put the mask on?
It turns into
Bat Dean.
Oh man. Oh man. Dad, don't take my picture.
Okay.
Because I don't have my mask on.
Too cute.
Jump. Jump, 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 jump.
Yeah, I think we may just put like black leggings on her instead. Those are a little bit big. Hi.
You know, mommy might help you with that. Oh, you did it. Who is that? Are you Batman?
And Bat Fairy.
Look, I did it.
Yay.
It's okay. You want me to help you?
I'm not Batman anymore.
You want to take your wings off?